this now. I'll just show you this with the levers, right? So when you're going to close the window, always make sure you grab the whole lot, slide it all the way down, then open the Midgie mesh screen. Now, something to have a look at here. Come in here and have a look. See this little slot here? A lot of people think that's where you actually close the windows, but you don't. You see how it's still open? That slot there gives you some airflow, but security. So in the night time or whatever. Yeah. How you actually lock it, you have to pull it past that point and just push them down there tightly. Yep. So if you think they go in the center, you're wrong, and that's the reason why. Slide this down all the way up, and we're ready to rock and roll.